Hello! Gonna show you my fast way about growing onions, I take them from market or from people. Or I just take ground and I plant them. I plant them just in ground, Just you can use water or some substrate, some vermiculite, something. You just can grow them only on the water. But I use such case, You can use such case, and I just put them, and then I put them on the light, and they make roots, and they gonna grow soonly. Maybe this one on that place. Like this, maybe big one you can use. I'm gonna grow very fast. Not such fast as microgreens, but it's gonna be fast. So, good growings for you, and enjoy, survive, and be happy, So, bye bye.